Hello, in this tutorial I'll show you how to change device name in Google Home. Renaming your devices in Google Home helps you manage and control them more efficiently, especially when you have multiple devices. So let's begin by opening the Google Home app on your smartphone or tablet. Unlock your Android or iOS device, locate and tap on the Google Home icon to launch it. Now find the device that you wish to rename. On the home screen, scroll through your devices, which you have here. Just select devices from the bottom, and here you'll find all your devices. Now, once you find your devices, tap on the exact device that you want to rename to open its control panel. Now, once you do that, navigate to the devices setting. Of course, once you tap on your device, it's going to take you to a window or a new window where you're going to see the control panel for that particular device, which is literally the settings page. Now, once you're in the settings page, tap the gear icon in the top right corner to access the settings. Now, you can go ahead and change the device name from there. So, for Google devices, tap on device information, then tap on name and enter the new name for your device and tap save to confirm. For non-Google devices, tap on the name directly, enter the new name for your device and tap save to confirm. Ensure that your mobile device or tablet and the device you want to rename are linked to the same account. Of course, after renaming, you can use a new device name in voice commands. For example, hey Google, play music on, then you can put in the new device name. If Google Assistant doesn't recognize the new device name, try using different variations or simpler names. If you're unable to change the device name, consider unlinking and relinking the device or performing a factory reset. Some users have found success by resetting the device and assigning it to a room with the desired name during setup. So go over this tutorial from the top to the bottom to get acquainted with the steps, and once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope this tutorial marvelously helped you search.